before we start our actual notes. We are subtracting integers today. Homework. Let's talk about the homework. Your homework tonight, I want you to do the top of the front side and all of the back. So when I show you the homework as a whole, I want you to do this top section only, so graphing. So you're basically graphing. You can skip this part. I have been having you do a lot of division, so we'll skip this. And I'm having you do all of the back, which is what we kind of been doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the super easy ones. Not what we're doing today, but what we did Monday, Tuesday. So homework tonight, the top, just this part. And if you forget, you can read your agenda or you can watch this video because I'm literally recording this. Okay, second, 5 topics of ALEKS is due Sunday, right? Every Sunday, 5 topics are due. Now, because parent conference is on Monday, and some of you will not have parent conferences, some of you will be told in the next couple of days that you will, I'm going to have you guys do makeup ALEKS next week. So starting on Monday, since you have Monday off, and you're like bored out of your mind and have nothing to do, do some extra ALEKS topics for makeup. So for those of you who still owe me topics, here's the week that you get to do makeup ALEKS topics starting on Monday. Yes?
I'm not going to be bored because I'm going to be working with my dad.
Okay. On your lunch break, you work on ALEKS.
I don't have a lunch break.
Oh. Not good. That's crazy. That's for you. Child labor?
Yeah. Child labor. All right. Okay, so we just recorded that.
I'm joking. I do have a lunch break.
Good.
Like 3 hours.
There you go. Okay, let's begin. 10-3-24. Subtracting integers. Subtracting integers. So we're going to write this down. Okay, so when you're subtracting integers, all right, so we're writing this down. I'm gonna do this maybe in 10 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna write this down, and I'm gonna put this on my computer so I don't forget. All right, if I have -5 minus 10.
That's easy.
Okay. Now, do we actually subtract these numbers?
No.
No, we actually don't subtract these numbers. We write these numbers down. Does anybody know what I'm supposed to do with these? Okay.
Because why?
Why? You know. Yes.
Why? Because they're both negatives. Yeah.
No, one of them's positive and one of them's negative.
Yeah. Right now, this one's a negative and this one's a positive.
Oh. You subtract them.
You subtract the negative.
Why?
10.
You have, because the 10 has more positive than the negative.
Okay.
Good job, bro.
You
Yes.
subtract because 10 is the positive and 5 is the negative.
Okay.
You get the point.
Yes.
You subtract because there's more.
Yeah. Right.
Wait, don't you divide it?
Oh my goodness, divide. Where did that come from? That one's like left field. What? Okay, so what you do is this actually makes Miss Amelie pretty sad. Very sad.
Oh, you can.
Subtraction, just it makes me feel like the kid outside. You know, just screaming and crying and all at once. Don't like it. Yeah, of course you draw the sad face.
You copy everything she does.
You write everything I do, and technically I did write 2 sad faces. It's bad. It's really bad. Yeah, that bad. Okay, rules. First, what we're going to do is we're actually going to add the opposite.
Add the opposite?
Yes.
Oh.
Good. So, you're going to actually add the opposite. We don't keep it as a subtraction problem. We're going to be changing it to addition problems. We don't like subtraction problems. Say it with me. No, shitty. We don't like subtraction problems. Yeah, you tell them. Okay, what you do, first thing is keep the first number. Okay? You're going to keep the first number. The first number stays exactly the same. Do not change the first number. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to change the subtraction sign to, what are we going to change it to?
Addition.
Addition sign. Okay, you're going to keep the first number. You're going to change subtraction to addition. We're going to change subtraction to addition.
Keep, change, and flip.
Not flip, but there is something that we have to do to the third number. The flipping is when we divide fractions.
Keep, switch, subtract. No.
Change
Okay.
the second number to its Oscar. Yes. See, it's in your brain somewhere, right? From last year. We just kind of have to fish it out. Okay, so change the second number to its
Opposite.
Wait, opposite. To its up.
to its opposite. To its opposite. Okay, change the second number to its opposite. So we're going to keep, change, and then opposite. Now, let's remind ourselves what opposite means. What's the opposite of top? Bottom. What's the opposite of right? Left. What's the opposite of cold? Hot. Okay, cool. So that's in real world, right? Hot, cold, left, right, up, down. What's the opposite of 5?
-5.
What's the opposite of -7?
Positive 7.
Oh yeah, we did it like that.
Mm-hmm. What's the opposite of -10?
Negative.
Positive
12.
Okay. Okay. So what's the opposite of 9?
-9.
Negative 9.
What's the opposite of 0?
0.
No, 0.
I said 0.
It's a 0, but then you just gotta change your
I
mind.
said 0, but
Totally.
you guys said quiet, so I thought you got it wrong.
Ooh, he's not paying attention.
Totally. Let's rewind the video.
Hold on.
Slow motion. He said. Okay.
I think you should do it.
No. I remembered. This is actually the learning part right here. Okay. Then, second thing we do, Andy, is follow the addition rules. Follow the addition rules. All right. So here we go. Here's our first problem. -5 minus 10. -5 minus 10. This is where we actually start learning how to do this. Like, we wrote what we're supposed to do, but now we're actually doing it. Okay, I started doing it this year, and I think it's helping some of my students. We're going to divide this into 3 sections. The first number, the operation, which is subtraction, and then the last number. So 3 sections, okay? What happens in the first section? You keep it. So this stays as -5, right? So we keep it. Keep it. What does this subtraction sign change into? Addition. So we change it. We change subtraction to addition. Now this number, what is this last number? 10. We have to do the what? Opposite. So what is the opposite?
-10.
KCO.
KCO?
Yeah, I got it right.
Kentucky chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky chicken opposite. You see?
Totally. It makes flows, rolls off the tongue. Okay. So now we no longer have -5 minus 10. That's long gone. Now we have -5 plus a -10.
Easy. -15.
Yes. These two are negatives now. Now we see that they're both negatives. So now we're going to add, like we did on Monday and Tuesday. And our final answer is -15. 15.
Easy.
So keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite.
So it's 15 over time.
It's kind of easy because we didn't subtract. We did
Yeah.
that.
At the end of the day, you end up adding sometimes.
Easy, no reaction.
All right. 3 minus 7. Let's divide it into sections here.
So easy.
Because kids are thinking, I'm trying to avoid Miss
It's
J.
10.
The whole, this is a -7. So putting those, I'm trying something new. Trying. Okay. Does this 3 change? No. Keep. The 3 does not change. What does the subtraction turn into?
Addition.
Keep, change,
Opposite. So
Opposite.
-7.
So instead of addition, it's actually subtraction.
Easy.
but the reason that we still rewrite it, Alex, are we going to add or subtract right here?
Subtract.
We're going to subtract, right? But it's like, Miss Amelie, why did you make me change it? Like, we're subtracting here. Why did you make me change it? Why? Because right here, when you rewrite it, you see that you actually have 7 negatives. You don't see it up here. You see it down here. So, yes, we will subtract.
Negative.
So, what's
5.
7 minus 3?
-4.
It's 4.
Yay.
Do you have more positives or do you have more negatives?
-4.
And the only reason that you see that there's more negatives is because we rewrote it. It's because I know we are subtracting. And I know this is where math kind of gets confusing because it's like, Miss Amelie, why are you making me change it from subtraction to addition and still make me subtract? I understand that that could be confusing. One of the reasons why we change it is so that you can see that you have these negatives. Because right here, did you see that you have 7 negatives?
Yes.
Totally. Yeah.
I see.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I didn't say anything.
Miss, the only time we subtract is when there's a positive number in the beginning, right?
What?
Was there a positive number there?
No. You only.
Doesn't matter what you start with. Does not matter what you start with.
Easy. No
Hypothetical
reaction.
question.
Oh,
Do we have a worksheet on this?
-4. Okay, -2 minus a -4. -2 minus a -4. So I'm going to split it up.
-2 minus a -4?
Yes.
That's a -6.
No.
This is
Negative
six.
It's
negative
4.
two. Wait, no, it's positive 2.
It's
positive 2.
Okay. So, -2. Do we change it?
No.
Keep. Subtraction turns into
Addition.
addition. What's the opposite of -4?
+4. So 4.
Okay. So now we go back to what we did on Monday. Negative, positive. They're different, so yes, you will subtract.
It's positive.
And it's positive because there's more positives.
Easy.
Yes, hopefully. All right, try doing these 2 problems before we break.
Yay. Easy. Alright, this is gonna be an easy pizza. I'm just gonna do this thing.
Keep, change, opposite.
Do we have to write the keep thing opposite too, or just
You don't have to write KCO. You don't have to write KCO. You do have to rewrite the problem.
okay?
No, that's negative.
That was the only question.
It's
No,
negative
no, no.
13.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Wait, is it 10 negative?
Yeah, no.
No, it's positive.
Miss, what is the parentheses?
It's just keeping it together.
You're tripping.
Just keeping the negative with the 2.
Number 1 is positive 7.
No.
No, that's what I thought.
It's
It's
negative.
because you changed the 10 into a negative.
Wait,
Wait, for
Francis? 13,
So it's
right?
13.
I got it right.
Oh my.
See, this is easy.
Okay,
You're confusing
guys, rewrite them. Do not try doing this problem without rewriting it. You will run into problems. You have to rewrite it. Keep, change, opposite. -3 What does subtraction turn into?
The second one's
Addition. And then 10 turns into
Negative.
negative 10.
negative 13.
Now you realize I have a negative, I have a negative. So we're adding negative 13. You don't see this until you rewrite it. You must rewrite it. All right, one more problem.
So easy. It's like kindergarten
Okay.
math.
Okay, how is it negative 7? Explain that to me.
Cause
Never
look,
mind.
It's not.
Look.
I know, that's why, but he's adamant that it is.
It's not negative 7. It's
I know.
positive 7.
Oh, wait.
Okay,
Oh, I think
Because
so
the 5
close.
is
Yeah,
positive,
so far.
and you change the 2 into a positive, so
That confusing.
6, 7.
so what subtraction turns into addition? What's the opposite of negative 2?
Positive.
2. Now you have literally a first grade problem. 5 plus 2.
8. I mean 7. 8. 8. Yes.
All right. He's just making sure you're all on task.
Yeah. Just build different. Yeah.
All right. So, here we go. You know what? Before that, can I just talk to you about the homework?
Sure.
Okay. The homework.
Yes.
Am I going to change these and
No.
rewrite this to keep,
No.
change, opposite?
No.
No. These are all addition problems. You leave them alone. You leave them alone. Okay, number 1 on your worksheet. Let's do it. You will be asked to rewrite each question.
Wait. Oh.
So add the opposite, keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite.
So how many? How we have to do it your way? Like have to?
Yes.
Do it the whole way.
Yes, I do remember you making a mistake earlier. So if you follow my way, because remember, I'm trying to teach you the right way of doing this.
The easiest way
And the
for
easy.
high school.
I'm so simple. I'm
Okay.
not doing this question well.
Okay, negative 13. Do we change negative 13?
No.
No.
Keep it the same.
What does subtraction turn into?
Positive. I mean.
Addition. What's the opposite of negative 5?
Positive 5.
All right. So first job that you have to do is to rewrite it. Keep, change, opposite. Keep, change, opposite. Now the second thing you have to do is tell me, this is a negative, this is a positive. So if I have a negative and I have a positive, I subtract. And you subtract on the side.
Easy.
Oops. Subtract on the side. What's 13 minus 5?
This light work for me.
Negative.
8. Go back. Do you have more negatives or do you have more positives?
Negatives.
More negatives. They win. So your final answer ends up being negative 8. They won the race.
Something's fishy here.